Yeah, today I am speaking about our PepsiCo approach to nutrition and health, our PepsiCo positive journey of transformation, and how that translates to functional innovation for consumers. And what I'd really like the conference attendees to go away with is, as a very, very large food and beverage company, we serve over 1 billion consumers a day. We've been on this journey of transformation for a very long time, and we've learned a lot. And I would really like to share those learnings, because the challenges that we face in the food system are great, and it's not something that we alone as PepsiCo can solve. And so by sharing the learnings, I hope that other companies will join us on the journey of transformation across their food and beverage portfolios. We call it our PepsiCo Positive strategy. It is an end-to-end transformation of how we make, move, and sell products. And we put sustainability and human value at the core of this strategy. Now, we have 3 major elements: positive agriculture, positive value chain, and positive choices. And across all of those areas, we have commitments that we've made to really advance our portfolio. In the positive choices, that's where we focus on health and nutrition. And so, to the point raised in the question about how we're addressing nutrients to limit, those are nutrients of public health concern, such as added sugars, sodium, saturated fats. And we've made commitments to remove those from our portfolio. Over time, we've global commitments. Our next deadline is 2025, and we publish our progress annually against those commitments to hold ourselves accountable, but also to demonstrate how we're evolving and improving. Not only that, but last year we announced 2 new goals, which take our sodium reduction targets even further at a category level. So going another 15 to 30% reduction of sodium across our global portfolio. And we've also committed to adding more diverse ingredients and food groups into our portfolio. And these are the type of ingredients that people generally don't consume enough of: fruits and vegetables, plant-based protein, nuts and seeds, legumes, and pulses. So with all of these initiatives, we're really evolving the nutrient density of our portfolio, and we're doing it at a global scale. We have several really good examples. I have a few favorites myself. One I have is called G0. It's our Gatorade line. And Gatorade is designed for a very specific cohort for athletes. It has the requirements around carbohydrate and electrolyte that helps fuel athletes during performance and endurance activities. Now, many of us are not athletes, but we would also like to be hydrated and have the similar benefits. And so our G0 line addresses that with having no sugars present, 0 carbohydrates for those that are not performing at the level of an athlete. And it encourages hydration. There's also a product called Off the Eaten Path. I myself love a chip. It's my favorite indulgence. And this particular product is popped. It's not fried. It's made from beets, peas, rice. So it's a real diverse product with much lower sodium than the category average. And not only that, but in a very unique packaging. This product is coming into the market in a plant-based combustible packaging. So we send 0 packaging to landfill. And it's a type of technology that's very new. We've started to make it available to other companies. We're licensing it free of charge so that others can take this level of technology forward. But the nice thing about this particular product is that it's bringing nutrition and health advantage, but also considering the environment and the impact of the product from start right through finish. This is a really unique opportunity to meet like-minded organizations and those that are also serving our industry. And I think the opportunity to share our goals and our ambitions and what we're working on, what's important to us, should and can enable our suppliers to support us further on the journey. But it also, I hope, will encourage some of our peer organizations to continue and to help advance with some of the steps that we're taking. Also, I think, we don't have all the technology and the value and the expertise in-house. We need strong partners in various sectors, and this summit is a wonderful opportunity to build those bridges. Today I sat at a very diverse table for lunch. It was a completely full table, engaging conversation. When I turned left to right again, it was a new topic across the group. So for me, it's really an eye-opening opportunity to understand what's at the pulse of American manufacturing and to hear views of others. And I met some companies that I normally wouldn't have interacted with. So for me, it was one of the highlights of the day.